Alright, here we go. Ah, Jesus. Grandpa's on the top of the building. I'll get the fuse trapped up as soon as I can. I got enough to get level 1 on Grandpa.
All you need's a little blood. Perk you right up.
Hey, the main exit, right? He's going toward the sliding door. Sonny, hey, if you take a right. No, y'all went the wrong way. I mean left. Wait, yeah, left. He's behind y'all. Yeah, go that way. He's somewhere over there. Sonny's over there. Yeah. I'm gonna go trap the fuse. Sorry, guys, I'm a little bad with my rights and lefts. All right, I'm right over here, buyer. I'm going. Hannah's right here. Why is she ducking down? What happened? Alright, she's dead. I'm gonna go reset my trap. I did see Julie over here too when Anna was over here, so just FYI, I'm gonna check this door. Door's still good.
You're looking downright spry. Back and killing for.
Fuse box is still closed. I'm gonna get it trapped. It's over here by the pressure gate.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Sonny's by the main exit. He's going back down to the basement. I'm chasing him. Yeah, he's going down to the basement. I'm right on him. I don't know where he went.
Whoa. Why I gotta do
He might have the
this family?
he might have the valve.
Yeah. Got one.
I don't know where that trap is. It's by the fuse. They're at the fuse. I'm running over there. He's working on it. We're fucked. It's Leland. We're fucked. I got him. I got him off of it. He just shoulder checked me. He's going back to it. Good job. I'll get it turned off as soon as I can. Oh wait, he didn't even turn it on. Nice. Hell yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go feed Grandpa. Oh wait, no, I don't have a full vial yet. Still got a trap to lay down too. I'm gonna go check this sliding door. I'll get it trapped if it's not already breached. Sliding door is still good. They just got the water pump. Shit. Alright, I'm going down there. I'm close. I knew he had the fucking pump too. Anna's on me. She's gonna. They're both on me. They're gonna shank me as soon as I try to go for it. Oh no, no, they haven't shanked me yet. Yep, shanking me. All right, I'm gonna try to still get it. I think I got time. Connie's over here by me. Closing valve. I got time. Thank you for the bodyguard. We got it. We got it. All right. You go. I'm gonna wait to see if they come back. Sissy's down here still. Okay, no worries. I'll go up. Go feed Grandpa. I'll get him up to... Oh! Sonny was trying to come down and be slick. Got him. Sonny's dead. I knew they were going to come back to the valve. Good job, guys. Alright. I'll go feed Grandpa. Connie is coming out by the blue container. She is in the, I don't even know what that's called, area. I guess it's the, yeah. Yeah, there, you see her, Sissy. You're on her. Hell yeah. Now, how does that miss? She might be going back down to the fucking valve. Damn it. Okay. I'm gonna go down the valve, guys. Yeah, we might as well both go, huh, Sissy? Oh, he got her. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Good job. GG's, GG's. Hell yeah, boys and girls. Good job. Following me on Twitch, CW Viper. Thanks for yourself coming on YouTube. Nice.